Add a few drops to water, and you'll never clean the same way again. Just one ingredient is enough. Wipe your furniture and baseboards with it, and dust won't settle on them anymore. This clever trick will help you keep your baseboards spotless. Everyone in my family asks how to clean them, so here's what you should do at home to stop dust from building up. First, wipe down the baseboards and furniture to remove the dust that's already there. Prepare a bowl and pour in some warm water, then add a small amount of one simple liquid. You definitely have it at home. That's the key ingredient: glycerin. It makes sure you won't need to dust so often. Soak a cloth, wring it out, and wipe the areas where dust collects the most. How does it work? Glycerin leaves behind a protective layer, almost like a coating. You won't even notice it's there, but it really makes a difference. Even after several days, no dust will appear. Try it at home, and you'll be amazed.